Hello, my name is Carlos Sanchez, Senior Director of Operational Technology for Fortinet. Uh, Fortinet is a network cybersecurity company with over 20 years of proven success and track record. We have over 1,800 patents and over 8 million next-generation firewalls deployed worldwide, and over 50 products in our product line. Our main product, or at the center of it all, is our next generation firewall that have been, in the case of OT, operational technology, has been ruggedized to operate in extreme environments, extreme heat, extreme cold. The same thing with access points and switches. However, we do more than that. We have, enhanced technologies that essentially complement our ability to operate in those, harsh environments. In addition to that, we also have, an industrial signal set that is extremely comprehensive, that covers all the vulnerabilities, specific to the industrial environment, and also gives you visibility into the applications that are specific to the industrial environment. All this in addition with other technologies and that do predictive analysis, that we can do visualization and visibility. Different from our competitors, our big difference from our competitors is our ability to protect industrial environments passively without being disruptive in that environment. We achieve this by, having our OT specialized hardware and operating in a passive way. We really don't need to install, clients and on devices. We have a really wide partner ecosystem, and ultimately, at the center of it all, FortiOS is a multi-function operating system that has, the traditional pieces that you need to protect an industrial environment or protect any type of environment, embedded into one single OS: IPS, application control, VPN, web filtering, all these functions, SD-WAN, routing, you don't need to have separate devices for that. While doing that, since all these functions are embedded into one single OS, what we're looking at is more rounded security. All the vectors are covered. You reduce the total cost of ownership because you don't have to learn multiple technologies, reduce the footprint, and again, make it easy for the technicians and for the people that are going to work on the operating system or on the security portion, because the learning curve is quite a bit less. It's a shorter path to understanding the technology and deploying the technology. Well, as we speak to people in the industry, we see companies that you will think that they're so sophisticated just on account of the market that they operate. And these companies have flat networks. So having micro segmentation and segmentation are two things that are coming front and center. So we help our customers do that by offering the visibility. Again, if you can't see the traffic, you can't stop it, you cannot steer it, you cannot allow it, or give it a security treatment at the end. So that's where it starts. And that's the first comment that we have. We have higher visibility into our environment. We have a better, device inventory that we had before. So those are the things, the immediate results. Our partnership with Rockwell Automation, for us, is a match made in heaven. It's a partnership of leaders. Rockwell has been the leader in the industry, or one of the leaders in the industry in industrial automation, in understanding those environments. And Fortinet, over the last 20 years, we have led the industry in cybersecurity, offering not only a next generation firewall, but an entire line of products that can be applied, to security in operational technology in harsh environments.